Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra Smoke. Astra Smoke is a versatile tool designed to provide a rapid visual obstruction, giving you a tactical edge in many situations. Understanding its features and proper deployment methods is crucial for maximizing its effectiveness and ensuring safety. We will cover everything from preparation to post-deployment considerations, making sure you are fully equipped to utilize this device confidently and efficiently. Before deploying Astra Smoke, a few key preparation steps are essential. First, always conduct a quick visual inspection of the device to check for any signs of damage or tampering. Next, confirm that the safety pin is firmly seated, preventing accidental activation. Finally, take a moment to plan your deployment, considering your intended target area and a clear path for withdrawal after activation. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and effective operation. Once you are ready, activating Astra Smoke is straightforward. With a firm and steady pull, remove the safety pin. Immediately after, throw the device towards your intended target area. It is crucial to deploy it quickly and then move to a safe distance, ideally at least 5 meters away, to avoid direct exposure to the initial smoke cloud. This rapid deployment ensures maximum coverage and maintains your safety during the process. After deployment, the Astra Smoke will typically generate a dense cloud for about 30 to 45 seconds, providing ample time for your tactical maneuver. Remember, while effective, the smoke is an irritant, so always avoid direct inhalation. Once the smoke dissipates and the canister has cooled completely, ensure you dispose of it responsibly according to local regulations. Your safety and environmental responsibility are paramount throughout the entire process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.